So I guess I decided to start YouTube videos again since I broke down my poor s13 at the track 2 weekends ago. We went to No Coast. And I kind of effed up and hit the edge of the track with my oil pan. So at first it cracked. I have a video, I'm gonna insert it right now because I fixed it with JB Weld.
Call me the JB Weld Picasso, bro. Yeah, that's oil. That's all of my oil went everywhere. Did a 50-50 with the whole car. I went just like this on the fucking edge of the track and I cracked my oil pan. So yeah, we drove this car here. Well, we're still planning on driving tonight, or drifting, and planning on driving it back home, but it's all full of oil, a lot of oil, and I let this.
Then after that happened, I went back out and I think I hit something and I ended up not breaking, but I smashed the oil pan. I wish I kept it, I threw it away. On the other side, on the right side where the drain plug is, and I guess it cracked on that side and all my oil came out. So yeah, oh shit, what was that? I guess I stepped on something. Okay, so yeah, I ended up locking up my engine, and so I got home, right? Actually, so it locked up, and I tried to start it again. It wouldn't start up, so I let it cool off, and after an hour, it was cranking. It started to crank, and I was like, maybe something else happened. Maybe, I got lucky, and it was only an electrical issue, and it coincided with the oil and the oil pan getting smashed. So yeah, I thought, okay, good. I got home, I got a new oil pan, I put it on, I put oil, I drained everything. I fixed my starter because my starter wasn't working, and I went out, the car started up, it made zero noises, it felt great. So I went out and started ripping up and down the street. Great. Then I went back to the track that I have close to my house, and after 3 laps it started knocking. I'll insert the video so you guys can hear it knocking. But yeah, after that happened, it was a slight knock, and I said, you know what, let's pull it out. Yeah, so yeah, I bought everything until they're in that corner ready to rebuild it. The only thing I have to do is pull the engine out, see the crank, make sure that the crank is not messed up. Hopefully it's not, because I don't want to spend money on buying a crank. But for the experience that I have and the knocking that it has, I'm pretty sure it didn't mess up the crank too much. So, but I still gotta take it out, get it measured. So I'm gonna start jacking up the car, and we're going to start draining everything and redo this entire engine bay, rebuild this engine. I finished building that engine for a customer yesterday. I'm just waiting for him to come get it, but for the meantime I'm gonna take it off the stand because I need this stand. I'm gonna put the engine on the floor, and also I took everything apart from my car, so it doesn't have any body panels right now. Why? Because I'm going to wrap it, and I need to fix my, what's it called? My body kit. It's all on the side of the house. Yeah, it's a mess back here. I need to throw all this trash away. But yeah, my body kit is right here. As you can see, my rear bumper, it's like in 3 pieces. My side skirts are messed up. My over fender has a hole. And this front bumper is really ugly. So yeah, for now, that's the plan. Also, I want to change this hydro because I don't know if you guys can see this that I put on. It hits my knee. It hits my knee right here in this bone right here. So now I have a bump right there from all the drift events. So yeah, I put bubble wrap on it, but still it's uncomfortable. So I want to move this hydro, plus the color doesn't match my car. I think I'm gonna eat and then start draining all the oils. I'm gonna take off the bash bar. We're gonna take off the intercooler. You know what? I'm also planning on cutting this. I want to tube my front end, but at the same time, I know I said this is the forever car. This is a car I'm gonna keep forever. I kind of want another S15, and I want to swap all my shit from here into an S15. So I don't know if I want to commit to doing the entire front end. What I do want to do, I'm still in debate, but I think I'm gonna do it is the tubs. So yesterday I got busy and I couldn't get to this, so we're starting today. My roommate Axel is helping me out. He's down here doing the heavy work because he's a bottom and I'm a top. I do the top, he does the bottom. So what's it called? Yeah. Hopefully this thing is out and on that stand in about an hour or two. So we're gonna end up cutting my front end because I'm tired of having to pull the engine up through here. And I always scratch this. And the other front end that I had was the Odivia front, and I had to cut most of the metal out to put those headlights. And I already had to cut that out and cut that out. So why not, right? This is a measure none, cut twice type of work. So let's do this. There's no wires, right? No wires. All right. I'll leave a little bit. Cut this one mostly out, and then if not, it's gonna be flopping everywhere. We don't want that. No more flopping when cutting metal. You know what I forgot? The fuel lines are open. Put this on. Protect the car somewhat, somehow, before it catches on fire. Not the first time. Not the first time. Not the first time a car catching on fire. So, so yeah. All right, let's finish this up. Oh, but it's chipped. It doesn't like you're fucking fine. So hopefully it doesn't explode. Bam! Maybe this will work. There we go. There we go. Yeah. We're front end, but this is way easier now since I'm going to move all the wiring and all that, and we'll see what I do with the front end. Anyways, that didn't do anything. It was so flimsy. This thing is so flimsy. This is not as flimsy, but that, I could just twist it. So this is so much easier. I should have done this ages ago. I don't know how many engines I've taken out of this car every time I swap different engines. So yeah, much easier. We're almost done. Like I always forget the slave cylinder, so I just gotta unbolt it from here and here, leave it in, and then we can just pull the whole thing out. Got this thing on the engine stand finally. It's like, I think 2:30 right now. So it took us what, like about, I want to say 2 hours. No, not even. We started like around 1. So an hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. I think that's good. I have allergies. My eyes hurting. I think they're red. I don't know if they're red. But yeah. We're gonna clean the floor because we made a mess. I have this table. I like using this table. And I always write. Like I know most where everything goes, but just in case, especially since my roommate's helping me and he's not what's it called? He doesn't know much about the JC engines. So random and transmission stuff, which that's transmission stuff, this is random stuff. So we're almost done.
The one I'm fucking stuck on.
You suck. But yeah, we're almost done. We're almost done. Yeah, so funny thing, right? I can't get this camera to focus. I think I'm gonna have to change lenses, but okay. So this engine came out of the RX-7 FC, right? And supposedly, because I got it from somebody else locally, the RX-7 with this engine, and he said that the previous owner had put ARP studs on it and blah blah blah, yada yada, put all new shit inside. Cap. Why? Where are the ARPs? These are not ARPs. And I know who built this thing. I know the guy on Facebook, and he commented a few times whenever I posted the car, and I've seen the post of the car because I researched that car. And he even said, yeah, ARP this and ARP that, and ARP nothing. This thing is unopened. But on another note, see, this is how you have to have your working station. Organized. So you don't lose anything. Everything needs to be organized. Don't look at this section. This is the working section. This is the organizing section. So, but now we're gonna pull the head out. Let's see how strong you are. Let's see if my minion is
Right now.
right now.
I still got fucking 4 bolts.
Oh, you still got more bolts? Man, why are you whack?
Where's the rest of the bolts? Where'd you put them?
I put them right there. I only took 2 out, but whatever.
You're slow ass. Precision.
You said precision? Precision. Leaves a screwdriver right in here. Aha. Oh, let's see. Turn it. Ah, oil everywhere, pendejo. All right, chill. Okay, now you can set it down. Wow. It's actually not bad. Not bad at all. The cylinder walls look pretty good. They don't look bad at all. Where's the head gasket? Is it stuck on the head? Yeah, it is stuck on the head. Okay. Crusty 30-year-old head gasket. Crusty 30-year-old pistons. I wonder why I was having so much blow-by then. Like insane amounts of blow-by. But there's no damage on the cylinder walls. Well, whenever we take out the pistons, we'll see. Maybe ring line failure. Maybe ring is cracked. I don't feel any play on anything. Yeah. We went mining with all this copper in here, bro. Hot damn. It's mining. We're just mining in this thing. See that? Wow. Yo. Alright, got late. We had a side quest real quick, but got all the pistons out. And yeah. Look at this. I drop on. Okay, whatever. This is the worst one. Yeah, really bad. But no good, no, not here. The crank is not that bad. It looks bad, but I can't feel it with my finger now. So yeah. But the side quest is, where's the light bar? Where do we put the light bar? All right. So this is a side quest. As you all know, I was selling my RX-7 FC 1JC. And I ended up trading it for this clean 180SX. So maybe new drift build, maybe not. Maybe we'll just sell it. So it's a cool car, Power FC, a lot of OG parts. So if you guys like it, buy it. Send me money for this. So this car meet is for a Honda shop. So there's mostly Hondas here. I like this one. I used to have an EG hatch just like that. And I had a, I forgot what it was, an EF hatch. This is a Luis's S13. That's an SR. There's Jesus's S13. 180SX. That's Frank's S14 that he needs to paint or wrap again. This is Justin S13. That's Aubrey's S14. And my new 180SX. This is the first time I bring out the 180SX. I haven't even cleaned it. It's dirty. But I fixed the AC and it's running good. So yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Yeah, the first time all these 240s come out. You're scared? You want to go? Okay, let's go. Let's go see cars. You want to go see cars? Let's go see cars. Hey, give me your hand. Give me your hand. You want to go up there, huh? Just don't get run over by bigger kids. You gonna get run over? Huh? Don't fall. I thought you were gonna jump. Don't jump. Alright, so we're back home after the car meet. And I'm thinking I'm gonna end the video here. Tomorrow I'm gonna clean all of the engine parts, the head and the crank and the block, and maybe pressure wash the engine bay. And we're gonna start measuring the tubs for this thing, right? Also, I'm thinking that I'm going to maybe keep the 180SX and make it a street drift car since it has AC. It's really nice. I don't want to do over fenders. I want to keep it stock OEM. So not stock OEM, but OEM metal body. And then slam it, put cool wheels, 5-lug swap, redo the entire suspension, and drive it like that and put a bucket seat, and that's it. So yeah, I think that's gonna be another series of videos. We're gonna fully build that car, suspension wise, not engine wise. I don't want to do engine work. I have enough with all of this. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, share, and also follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of stuff over there too. See you guys later.